So in Godot, I tried to make a Minecraft clone, and I shared my experience how in Godot, here when I hit play, I don't have a camera by default that I can float around, and inside of the editor, I cannot like change anything. Like I compared it to Unity. Here in Unity, this is my Minecraft clone terrain generation, and I compared it to Unity because here in Unity I can go inside of the scene and I can edit whatever I want. I can look at the properties. Like this was my favorite feature of Unity, and I was really sad that Godot doesn't have that. But I got a comment. Like I shared my experience using Godot, and I got this wonderful comment saying basically that I don't know what I'm talking about. So I'll show you what this person has told me. So here, this is how to set up Godot to be just like Unity. Look at this. Now, when we started, here I make it so it doesn't start in a floating window. You'll see why. And now when I started, it's like starting just like in Unity. But that's not all. You have this here camera icon. When you click it, here you have a few options. But when you click it in here, you can right click. And now you're moving around in the scene without having to implement camera controller. Or you could set it to be from the editor. And so now if you move around in the editor, it will move you in the game as well. You have to pick which one of the two. And that's not all. Look at how now I can select this. Now that this is embedded, I have all of this here. And now we'll not lose this window. So here I can go into the position and look at this. Isn't this like Unity? This is just like in Unity. I can do whatever I want, man. And this cube I have generated through code. I don't even have it inside of the editor, right? I don't have it in the editor. I've generated through code, but I can select it and I can play around it. Let's increase the scale. Why not? Let's make it bigger. And here we have this remote tab that has all the current objects, and we can probably make changes to them. Here is the generated cube, and I can probably do changes here. Like, isn't this like just like in Unity? Like, it's not like one-to-one, but it's like perfect for me. It's perfect. And I don't have a reason to use Unity. This was my only reason to use Unity. This was it. And I really like Godot and was sad that Godot doesn't have it. But this wonderful person has told me, dude, you know what you're talking about. And I didn't know what I was talking about. Look at how cool it is, man. Like,